have completed asexual reproduction. Now we'll study the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction involves oospores, ascospores and basidiospores. These spores are formed on special structures called as fruiting bodies. So these fruiting bodies are two types, ascocarps and basidiocarps. So ascocarps contains acide and basidiocarps contain basidia. These ascospores are formed on ascocarps. Basidiospores are produced on basidiocarps. These ascospores are non-motile structures. They are produced inside the sacs hence they are called as endogenous. Whereas the basidiospores are also non-motile, but they are exogenously produced. They are produced outside the sac. There is no sac at all. So short outgrowth called club-shaped structure is present, which is called basidium. On basidium, these basidiospores are arranged. In sexual reproduction, there are three stages are present. They are plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. These are the three steps involved in sexual reproduction. The plasmogamy, it consists of, first step is there are fusion of protoplasm takes place. First, plasmogamy means a fusion of or union of protoplasm takes place in this. It is again different methods. First one is the planogametic copulation or gametic fusion. In this, the fusion of opposite sex of two gametes takes place. It may be isogamous or anisogamous. Here, this process mainly occurs in fungi like Allomyces. The gametes may be fused. The two are haploid gametes which are fused together and form a diploid zygote. And another method is the gametangel contact. This method is mainly seen in Pythium and Albugo, which are oomycetes. So in Pythium and Albugo, there are antheridium and oogonium are special structures. Antheridium is the male reproductive organ and oogonium is the female reproductive organ. From antheridium, a fertilization tube is raised which fuses, will be fused with oogonium, and this antheridium releases its contents, cytoplasmic contents into the oogonium. With this, the plasmogamy is done by gametangel contact by means of fertilization tube. Next one is gametangel copulation. This is mainly seen in Leucon and Rhizopus. There are some common walls are present. Between these two gametes. When these two are come together, these gametes get fused, get dissolved, and fusion of entire contents of two gametangel takes place. This is called as gametangel copulation. Next one is spermatization. This is spermatia are the male gametes produced, which are minute spore-like structures with single cell in nature. These spermatia are produced on special structures called as spermatiophores. And these spermatia from spermatiophores are dispersed by water, air and insects, and they have to reach the female receptive hyphae, and this process is seen in basidiomycetes, which are higher fungi. And finally, in higher fungi, there is a stage called dikaryotic condition occurs, in which actually we have seen that two gametes fuse and a diploid zygote is formed. Here, there may be a delayed stage occurs before zygote formation, that is called as dikaryotic condition, that is N plus N stage is formed. Instead of 2N condition, N plus N condition is formed. The two nuclei will be present within the same cell. That condition is called as dikaryotic condition. Later, those two nuclei will be fused and zygote is formed. Example, Coccidia. Next, somatogamy. This mainly occurs in higher fungi. Here, there are no gametes produced. only there is a direct diffusion of somatic hypha takes place. Here this is this is one hypha, and this is male hypha, and this is female hypha. These two are fused and the nuclei get fused and zygote is formed. First dikaryotic phase occurs. Later they two fuse together and a diploid zygote is formed, which is seen in agaricus, that is mushrooms, edible mushrooms. Next one is the karyogamy. The first step is plasmogamy. It involves all these steps, all these methods, not steps, all these methods. Later the second step is the karyogamy. In karyogamy what happened? This is one haploid nuclei, and this is one gamete, and this is another gamete. In these two gametes will be fused and diploid zygote is formed. That is karyogamy. Actually this is the process, but there is an exception here. In agaricus and aspergillus, there is a dikaryotic phase is seen. It is an intercalary dikaryotic phase is seen, in which actually the haploid gamete and another haploid gamete are fused and there is a delayed process takes place before the formation of zygote. There is a dikaryotic phase is occurs, that is N plus N condition is seen. So that is called as dikaryotic phase. Later these two nuclei fused and diploid zygote is formed. With this karyogamy is over. What happens? Zygote is formed. Now meiosis, the final step in the sexual reproduction is meiosis. This meiosis is mainly seen in fruiting bodies of the fungi. In fruiting bodies there is a reductional division or meiosis takes place, and there is a formation of haploid spores occurs, and these haploid spores they may germinate and produce mycelium. Like this, sexual reproduction in fungi was completed. In the next video we will study about classification of fungi, what are the different types of fungi, what are the different classes, and different fungi and their economical importance, and all these will be studied in the next video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lata Akula Biology Tutorial. Thank you.